Good morning, students. Welcome to the Maths class. Continuation of the pattern. Let's talk about multiplication fact. Multiplication. A multiplication has three parts: multiplicand, multiplier, product. Number which is multiplied by another number is called multiplicand. The number of times the multiplicand is to be multiplied is called multiplier. The result of the multiplication is called product. To check any multiplication problem using the casting out nines method. Example: 327 into 42 is equal to 13,734. First part is multiplicand. Second part is multiplier. Third part is product. In casting out 9, first step is cross out the 9 or cross out the components of 9. Any 9 is here? No. Any components of 9 is here? Yes. 2 plus 7, 9. Cross out the components of 9. Balance 3 into step 2, add the digits. 4 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4. 3 into 6 is equal to 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 3 into 6, 18. 18 is equal to 18. Add the digits. 1 plus 8 is equal to 1 plus 8. 9 is equal to 9. It is a multiplication fact. Division fact. Division has 4 parts: dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In division problem, we can check the quotient by casting out nines method. Remember, the division is nothing more than the reverse of multiplication. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. To check any division problem using the casting out nines method. Example: 525 divide 15 is equal to 35. Any 9 is there? No. Any components of 9 is there? No. Step 2, add the digits. 5 plus 2 plus 5 divide 1 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Divide 1 plus 5, 6 is equal to 8. Divide, reverse of multiplication. So, this division go that side mean what will happen? Multiplication. 12 is equal to 8 into 6. 12 equal to 48. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 is equal to 12. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. 3 is equal to 3. It is a division fact. Exercise 3.3. Circle the correct multiplication fact by using casting out nines method. Second sum: 723 into 24 is equal to 17,508. Step 1, cross out the 9 or cross out the components of 9. Here any 9 is there? No. Any components of 9? Yes. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Balance 3 into 2 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 5 plus 0. 3 into 2 plus 4, 6. 7 plus 5, 12. 3 into 6, 3 6 are 18 is equal to 12. 1 plus 8, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 9 is equal to 3? No, 9 is not equal to 3. It is not a multiplication fact. Third sum: 132 into 43 is equal to 5636. Cross out the 9 or cross out the components of 9. 1 plus 3 plus 2. Here no components of 9 is there. So second step, add the digits. 1 plus 3 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 6 sevens are 42 is equal to 24. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 is equal to 6. It is a multiplication fact. Second sum. Circle the correct division fact by using the casting out nines method. First sum. 728 divide 4 is equal to 182. Cross out the 9 or cross out the components of 9. Here any 9 is there? No. Here any components of 9? Yes. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Balance 8 divide 4 is equal to 2. Reverse of division is equal to multiplication. Reverse of division is equal to multiplication. 8 is equal to 2 into 4. 2 fours are 8. 8 is equal to 8. It is a division fact. Second sum. 1580 divide 20 is equal to 78. Cross out the 9 or cross out the components of 9. Here any 9 is there? No. Here any components of 9 is there? Yes. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Balance 5 divide 2 plus 0 2 7 78. 5 divide 2. Division. Reverse of division is multiplication. 5 is equal to 7 plus 8 15 into 2. 5 is equal to 15 twos are 30. 5 is equal to 3 plus 0 3. 5 is equal to 3. 5 is equal to 3? No, 5 is not equal to 3. It is not a division fact. Multiplication and division by tens and hundreds. Examples. 57 into 10. How many zeros is there? 1 0. 57, 1 0. 570. 57 into 100. How many zeros is there? 2 0. 57, 2 0. 5700. 9 into 400. 9 fours are 36. How many 0? 2 0. 36, 2 0. 3600. 80 into 700. 8 sevens are 56. How many 0? 3 0. 10 divide 2. 10 divide 2. 2 table 10. How many times? 5 times. 100 divide 2. 100 divide 2. 10 extra how many 0 is there? 1 0. 10 mean 1 0 extra 1. So 50. 1000 divide 2. 10 after extra how many 0? 2 0. 500. 10,000 divide 2. 10 balance how many 0? 3 0. 5,000.
Exercise 3.4.
A fill in the blanks. 90, 180, 270 dash dash. 9, 18, 27. In 9 table what is next? 360. Next 450. 540. This is the 9 table. B, Z 90, A 81, Y 72, B 63. That is the reverse of 9 table. 90, 81, 72, 63. What is next? 54, 45, 36. 54, 45, 36. Z. One leave it after Y. After leave it Y before what is that? X. After leave it X before W. A, leave it B, leave it C. Can you understand? Next, circle the multiples of 9. 25, 27, 35, 36, 45, 46, 54, 55. 2 plus 5, 7. So, there is not a multiple of 9. 2 plus 7, 9. 3 plus 5, 8. That is not a multiple of 9. 3 plus 6, 9. That is a multiple of 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 6, 10. That is not a multiple of 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 5, that is a 10. So, that is not a multiple of 9. Complete the following sequence. 125, 150, 175. What is next? 75 after 200, 225, 250. 100, 400, 700. They leave 200 and 300. Here 5 and 6 they leave. 8 and 9 shall we leave mean what is that? 1000, 1300, 1600. D. Complete the following sequence. 9 6 are 54. Second, 9 into 66. 9 6 are 54. 5, 4. Extra 1 6 is that. Centrally we want to write 1 9. 9 into 6 6 6. 9 6 are 54. 5, 4. Extra 2 6 is there. Centrally write 2 9. 9 6 are 54. 5, 4. Extra how many 6 is there? 3 6. Centrally write 3 times 9. 9 6 are 54. 5, 4. Extra how many 6 is there? 5 6. Centrally we want to write 5 times 9. Second sum. 9 into 11. 9 ones are 9. Extra 2 9. 9 twos are 18. 1 8. Extra how many 2 is there? 2 2. Centrally write 2 9. 9 threes are 27. 2 7. Extra how many 3 is there? 2. Centrally 2 times 9. 9 fours are 36. 3 6. Centrally 2 times 9. 9 fives are 45. 4 5. Extra how many 5 is there? 2. Centrally 2 9. 9 6 are 54. Extra how many 6 is there? 2. Can you understand?
Answer the following questions.
The school bell rings once in a hour. To indicate that the section ends, next section begins. And for break, it will be 20 minutes. Shall we try to fill up? Here is a timetable. Period 1, 9 o'clock. Period 2, 10 o'clock. Break, 11 o'clock. 1 hour difference. After the break, they are giving a 20 minutes time. For break, 20 minutes time. 11 plus 20, 11:20. Third period start on 11:20. 1 hour difference. 11 plus 1, 12:20. Period 4 start at 12:20. After 1 hour, 1:20. After break is 20 minutes. 120 plus 20, 140 minutes. Period 5 start at 140. Period 6, 240. Can you understand? Second sum. Imagine you are a traffic inspector. You are asked to design the traffic signal timings. Can you design it? Red signal 7:30 a.m. Red signal is on 7:30 a.m. They are giving a time 2 minutes. 7:32 a.m. Yellow to green 1 minute. 1 minute is enough. So 7:33 a.m. After red signal 2 minutes. 7:35 a.m. red to green, giving a 2 minutes time. 7:37 a.m. Can you understand? Third sum. A city is planned in such a way that every 5 km has a circle and has 4 signals around. So, can you guess whether signals and circle are there? How many signals are needed for a 20 km distance? First 5 km, 1 signal. Second 5 km, 1 signal. Third 5 km, 1 signal. Fourth 5 km, 1 signal. 5 fours are 20. 20 km, 4 signal is there. 20 km, how many signals is there? 4 km, 4 signals is there. Study well. Don't waste your time. Thank you, students.